Yan. So, ano ba tawag dito?
Ginisang
Adobong manok.
manok.
Hindi sinabawang manok. How many exes do I have? Ano ba tawag dito?
Ginisang
Adobong manok.
adobong manok.
Hindi sinabawang manok. Na
Na may puso ng saging.
Na may-
Munggo.
puso ng saging ang munggo. Sure ka na?
Sure.
Okay, let's start. Iba yung vlog natin ngayon. Magkukook tayo pero may question and answer to get to know more. And yeah, it takes it away.
What is your full name?
My full name is, dati nung dalaga, Larika K. Valdez-Damon Salcedo. Ngayon, Larika K. Salcedo. First is we'll put in the garlic. Okay, next question.
What do you prefer to be called?
I prefer to be called K.
So nice.
K lang. Yung iba tawag sa akin Kikay. Pero most of the time, K. And then, we'll put in onions. Uy, umiyak yung anak natin.
Yun.
Ano nga doon? Patahanin mo muna. Onions. And then, gisa-gisa. Okay, next question.
Where are you from?
So, to answer the question, I was born and raised in Manila. Actually, QC. Tapos, pero yung both ng parents ko ay from Belize, Antique.
What is your zodiac sign?
Zodiac sign is Aquarius. Okay, let's put in the chicken. Chicken to, madaming chicken. Okay, ask the question.
Okay, what did you study in college and from what school?
So, I studied Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from the Pontifical University of the Philippines, University of Santo
So
Tomas, Go
nice.
Tigers.
How about postgrad?
Postgrad, I took Master of Science in Construction, Contract Management from University Technology, Malaysia. Pero currently, I'm taking up PhD in Technology Management.
So
Wait lang,
nice.
close muna natin. Technology Management in Cebu Technological University.
So nice.
Okay, so we'll just let it cook for a while na mag-brown siya. Ask your question.
Number 5. What do you do for a living?
Before, OFW. Civil engineer ako. Pero more on contracts. But now, I am a part-time professor in University of Antique. Now, we'll put in, salt. A little salt. So, ang turo ni Mami kasi, pait-paitan anay. So, damihan natin ng konting salt. Tansya-tansya to, bahala kayo. Pepper. More cubes na chicken. Chicken cubes. Soy sauce.
What made you choose your profession?
What made me choose my profession? Actually, dati kasi ako dapat magna-nursing. Kaso, sa UST, ang napasahan ko ay more on engineering subjects. Tapos, naisip nila daddy na engineer naman ako, matutulungan kita pag mag-work ka in the future. So, mag-engineering ka na lang din. So, doon ako, nag-civil engineering ako. Simmer muna natin for a few minutes.
Favorite food?
Favorite food, Han? Favorite food? Ang tombong. Ang tombong ni PJ. Hindi, kasi dati, may tinda sila ng ng barbecue dati. Kaya siya na-fall. Mukha mo. Hindi. Tapos favorite ko yung inihaw na tumbong. Let's put in, boiled munggo. Boiled munggo. Okay, ask your question.
Okay, favorite drink.
Favorite drink? Actually, yung Jerry's iced tea. Naalala mo, yung Jerry's iced tea dun sa ay hindi mo na-try. Jerry's iced tea. And favorite ko yung Philippine mango sa Zagu. Wow! With crystals. So, whenever I order, di ba may may pearls. Dadagdagan ko ng crystals. Yan ngayon, favorite na din siya ni Sam. So, yun ang aking favorite drink. And lately, nung nag-prepare si Bestie Fritz ng, ano ba yun? Cucumber spritz. Parang ganyan. Yun, naging favorite ko na din siya. So, we'll boil the chicken and the munggo together.
Coffee or milk tea?
Tatanungin mo ko nung college, sasabihin ko, milk tea. Alam ng mga friends ko yan, as in every afternoon, kahit yung charot ex ko nung college, alam niya na milk tea ang go-to drink namin. Pero, ngayon, of course, dahil case coffee, it's coffee na ngayon.
Are you more of an extrovert or introvert?
Introvert ako. Hindi lang halata, pero introvert ako. Ayoko. Gusto ko small set of friends lang. Pinaka-best friend ko is, of course, other than the best. May college friends din ako, syempre. High school friends, nandiyan pa rin. Pero, syempre, kung sino yung husband mo, yun yung best friend mo ngayon. Hilingero.
Who is the messier one, you or your husband?
Messier one? Siya. Taga-kalat siya. Nasistress ako pagka, yung gamit ko na nasalo sa gamit niya. Okay, go.
Who usually says sorry first?
Who usually says sorry first? Siyempre ako. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre siya. Siya ang nagsasorry. Kasi nga,
Hindi yan sorry, alam mo ba?
Pinaglihi ako sa pride.
What's your most used phrase?
Ganyan. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Ganon. Di ba, Teno? Pagka may maling nangyayari or ay, Diyos ko, Lord. That's my most used phrase.
Ruben ko na yan.
Next.
How many exes do you have?
How many exes do I have? Sa subdivision namin, isa. No?
Hindi ko nga alam yun.
Nung college only one. And then, nung nag-work ako sa Malaysia, one. And then, my now husband is now my ex.
If your personality were a dish, what would it be?
Foie gras. Alam mo foie gras? Hindi.
Not familiar.
Kasi nga, ako rin, hindi ko rin maintindihan yung personality ko. Ganon, hindi mo matitikman, hindi mo maiintindihan, hindi mo alam ang personality ko.
Depends. What is your biggest dream in life?
Dream in life, as I mentioned recently, is yun nga, to become Ivana Alawi of Antique. Not because yung
Body.
katawan or yung
But in heart.
heart na nakakatulong sa iba. We're starting, and hopefully marami tayong matulungan. Diba?
Who is a better cook, you or your husband?
Siyempre ako.
Who is a better cook, you or your mom?
Sasabihin ni Mami, siyempre siya. Pero ako talaga. Boiling. Lower the heat muna. Make sure ko na okay na yung lasa before ko ilagay yung puso. Parang okay na. Wait lang. I'm trying to remember my mom's recipe.
What is your secret ingredient?
My secret ingredient, magic sarap. Hindi. My secret ingredient is love. Wow! Hindi. Lahat naman siguro. Kailangan pa nagluluto ka, parang, ano ka, in love? Hindi naman yun.
With love.
With love lang. Yan. Secret ingredient po sa magic sarap. Pagmamahal. So, the last one, ay hindi pa to, second to the last pala to. Yung puso ng saging. Na piniga sa asin. So, while boiling, we go to the fast talk.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Beach or mountain?
Beach.
Morning person or night owl?
Night owl ako, di ba kita mo hanggang gabi?
Heels or slippers?
Slippers.
Online shopping or mall shopping?
Actually, gusto ko talaga mall shopping. Kasi gusto ko yung nahawakan ko agad. Kaya lang syempre, mas mura sa online.
Cook or order food?
Cook.
Stay home or gala?
Stay home, hindi alam yung mga tao yan. Pero gusto ko, ano lang ako, sa bahay lang ako
In
lang.
bahay.
Oo.
One word to describe Kay.
One word to describe me, kind. Self-proclaimed kind. Siguro, hindi nila alam na makulit. Di ba, te, no? Funny ako in real life.
So nice.
Okay.
Last na lang.
Last question.
Last.
And for that last question, bago yung last question, lagay muna natin yung lemongrass. Okay. Go ask your question.
One word your husband would use to describe Kay.
Iniisip niya yung sasagot niya, pero alam ko yung sagot niya. Yummy. Sarap. Yummy. Crazy.
Siyempre, kaya
Masarap. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Ito na. Luto na to. Masarap na talaga to.